Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to verify your Instagram account. So let's start. First, open the Instagram app. Go to your profile from bottom right corner. Then tap on three bars on top right corner and go to settings. Now tap on accounts and you'll see the request verification option. Tap on that. Here you have to fill up a form. Your username will already be inserted. Now type in your full name. Type in the name you are known as. Now select a category of your account. Lastly, you have to attach a photo ID such as national ID card, driving license, or even passport. So to show you guys, I'll just pick a random picture. And now tap send to apply for verification. Remember, this process takes usually a month or two. So have patience and you will be notified after the verification process is done. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.